Imagine this for a moment. The same bamboo we use to build houses, make furniture, and serve countless everyday purposes can also be transformed into soft, comfortable, and stylish clothing. It may sound surprising, but it's absolutely true. In today's documentary, we'll discover how an ordinary bamboo plant is transformed step by step into fashionable garments. From natural bamboo forests to the sophisticated manufacturing processes inside modern factories, we'll explore every stage in simple and easy-to-understand language. So let's begin this fascinating journey. The first step is harvesting the bamboo. Not every type of bamboo is suitable for making fabric. Manufacturers carefully select mature bamboo from specific species because its fibers are stronger and better suited for producing high-quality textile materials. After harvesting, the bamboo is thoroughly cleaned and cut into small pieces. It is then transported to a factory where specialized machines break it down into even smaller fragments, making it easier to separate the natural fibers inside. Next comes one of the most important stages of the entire process. The bamboo's tough structure is carefully processed to extract pure cellulose. This cellulose becomes the foundation for the soft textile fibers used in bamboo fabric. In the following stage, advanced industrial techniques transform the cellulose into a liquid solution. This liquid is then forced through extremely fine nozzles. As it passes through these tiny openings, it immediately begins to form long, thin, and durable fibers. These fibers are washed several times, thoroughly cleaned, and carefully dried to remove any unwanted substances. Once they are completely purified, they are aligned and prepared for the next stage, spinning. Now comes the yarn-making process. Thousands of fine fibers are twisted together to create strong, durable yarn. This yarn is then fed into modern weaving machines, where it is transformed into fabric. But the process doesn't end there. The fabric goes through multiple finishing stages, including washing, softening, and quality inspection. Every step is carefully monitored to ensure the final product meets international quality standards. So what makes bamboo fabric so popular? One of its biggest advantages is its exceptional softness. It's highly breathable and absorbs moisture efficiently, helping keep the wearer cool and comfortable, even in hot weather. Many people also consider bamboo an environmentally friendly alternative because it grows rapidly and is a renewable natural resource. However, it's important to remember that the environmental impact of bamboo fabric depends largely on how it is manufactured. Different production methods can have very different effects on the environment, making the manufacturing process just as important as the raw material itself. Now, let's take a look at the final stage of the journey, how this finished fabric is dyed, cut, and carefully sewn into the stylish clothing we wear every day. By this stage, the bamboo fibers have been transformed into high-quality fabric. But how does a simple piece of fabric become a fashionable garment? Now, the most exciting part of the journey begins. First, the fabric is rolled into large bundles and taken to the dyeing section. Here, computer-controlled machines carefully apply color under precise temperatures and timing. This ensures that the dye spreads evenly throughout the fabric, giving it a rich, vibrant, and consistent appearance. Once the dyeing process is complete, the fabric is thoroughly washed to remove any excess dye and remaining chemicals. It is then dried in massive industrial dryers to preserve its quality and durability. Next comes the finishing stage. Using specialized rollers and pressing machines, the fabric is made smoother, softer, and more comfortable to wear. At the same time, every roll is carefully inspected for defects such as holes, stains, or weaving imperfections. Any fabric that fails to meet quality standards is immediately removed. After passing the quality inspection, the fabric is sent to the garment manufacturing department. There, multiple layers of fabric are spread across large cutting tables according to computer-generated patterns. Highly precise automatic cutting machines then cut the fabric into perfectly measured pieces. The entire process is computer-controlled to ensure maximum accuracy and eliminate even the smallest mistakes. The cut pieces are then transferred to the sewing department, where hundreds of skilled workers and advanced sewing machines work together. Some attach the sleeves, others sew the collars, while the rest assemble the main body of the garment. Within a short time, what were once separate pieces of fabric gradually come together to form a complete t-shirt, shirt, or other stylish clothing. Every finished garment is then inspected once again. Experts carefully check the stitching, loose threads, and any possible defects to ensure that each product meets the highest quality standards. After passing the final inspection, brand labels, size tags, and other essential information are attached. The garments are then professionally ironed, neatly folded, and prepared for packaging. In the final stage, each garment is carefully packed into individual packages and placed inside large cartons, ready to be shipped to customers around the world. It's truly remarkable to think that the bamboo, once growing quietly in a forest, has gone through countless stages of transformation to become the comfortable and stylish clothing hanging in your wardrobe today. It's a perfect example of how modern technology can turn one of nature's simplest gifts into an extraordinary product used by millions of people every day.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.